mastering backend gives me the tools to build AI systems from the ground up.
It was the most intense, but also the most rewarding 6 weeks of my software engineering career so far.
There were a lot of concepts in AI engineering that I had initially struggled with, for example, in the RAG space. And this particular 6-week bootcamp gave me an understanding on how to be able to communicate with the large language models effectively.
What I appreciate most about it was that we didn't just jump into AI. We spent a decent amount of time learning to build a production-ready backend system. And this is experience and knowledge that I apply in the systems that I build today.
We're introduced to core backend principles of building them and tools needed to build scalable systems that can serve up to 1 million users.
During the course of this bootcamp, we built DocuChat, an AI-powered question-answer system where a user would upload a document and ask questions about the document. Through this, AI became less of a mystery to me.
Within that 6 weeks, there was a project we built, the DocuChat system, which allows the user to upload a document and then can be able to chat and get information from that particular document. This particular project was written in Node.js, but the concepts that were explained during the bootcamp were so deep and broken down that I was able to implement that system in a more comfortable language, which was Python for me.
From there, we're exposed to AI fundamentals, things like RAG systems, embeddings, vector databases, and agentic systems with human in the loop and monitoring and observability embedded into the entire course.
I learned concepts I previously didn't fully understand or even had knowledge of, like RAG, MCP, tools, vectors. I was able to build out a RAG pipeline and eventually turn it agentic. Looking back, I don't think I would have found resources, community, or mentorship this engaging, welcoming, or helpful, really.
I really want to thank the team for the efforts they put in to get this particular bootcamp to the level that it got to, so that I can be confident enough to go out and try and implement these concepts in other systems that I'll be working on.
I'd like to thank the Mastering Backend team for putting this bootcamp together. It was a great learning experience and I am grateful to have been part of it.
I recommend this course for anyone looking to building AI technology, and to improving their skills in the AI workspace.